2019 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, head-up display, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.